Good morning, Kinders. It is Thursday, December 3rd, and here are some things that you can do at home today. So the first one is, of course, handwriting. Today is lowercase I. So just like yesterday's letter was pretty simple, today's should be as well. The only thing I'm gonna warn you on, those dots. Don't go making ice cream dots. Remember, we don't want them to be too big. We also don't want them to be too small because then they disappear. So you got to make sure your dot is just a nice size. So it might look something like this. You start at the belt, that dotted line, you're going to go straight down and then a little dot floating up here. See, my dot's not touching it. My dot is not huge. My dot is also not so small that you can't see it. So you're on page 31, working on lowercase i's today. Mom or Dad can help you with that middle section, and then make sure you put i's at the bottom where it's missing in the words. So that's job one. Job two will be your I page. So you have one with the i's printed in black. I've just written mine quickly, and then you'll need to brainstorm things that start with the letter I. So remember, I has two sounds. I can say short and happy, or I, long and mad. So I've got a few words that you can put on there. Remember, you can choose 3 or more. You don't have to do all of these, okay? But I will show you some of the words that you can do for the letter I. So I'm gonna do short words first. So one is igloo. So to draw my igloo, I go like this. There's my igloo, and then I need to write ooh, oh. So there's one short I sound, igloo. Another one that you can do is insect. So this could be any kind of bug that you want. Okay. Got my 6 legs on this bug. Kind of like an ant. Insect. Okay, there's another short I word, insect. So I've got an igloo and an insect. Another one you can do is when you're measuring what's called an inch. This is my measuring. Inch. Okay, and then we can switch to long I sounds. So I'm gonna do 3 of each. You can pick all 3 long, all 3 short, some of each, or you can do all 6 of them, okay? So my long ones are going to be ice cream. That sounds good. Ice cream. There's my ice cream. Then you can do island. You can have island, maybe a palm tree on there. Oh, not my best palm tree. Okay, the sun can be back here. Island. There's my island. And then icicle. And maybe I'll have my icicles hanging off of my letter I. Icicles. Okay, so there's your second job. You can pick, like I said, 3 short or 3 long or some of each or all 6. Get them on there and then color them after you write the words. Okay, that's your second job. Your third job, you get to play a game. And this is going to be a reading game with 8 of our sight words. Okay? So I will take these words and I'm going to write them just on a piece of paper here. And the words are the, T-H-E, okay, I, and, sorry, too far, my. Okay, there's my first 4, the, I, and my, and then you, Y-O-U, can, C-A-N, that's one of your and words, C-S-E-E, and me. M-E. So now you have 8 of your sight words. And here is what you can do for this game. You can cut these words out into chunks. So you can even rip them. Okay? And you can turn these into snowballs. And if you have a brother or sister nearby, you can play this with them. So you crumple them up and throw it into snowballs. And here's the rule. If you get hit with a snowball, you have to pick that snowball up and read the word. The. So if I got hit with the, I would have to read the, crumple it back up, and then play again. So anytime you get hit, you read a word. That's one way to play. Or if you'd rather have it be a little running game, you can cut out the word and then tape them in your house, and your mom can say to you, go find me. And you run and find me on the wall and touch it. Okay? So this is 2 different ways you can play this game. Running to find it or snowball fight. Either way, you're going to need someone to help you. But it's a good way for us to practice reading those words that we don't need to sound out every time. We should just be able to look at them and know what they are. Okay? So that is your 3rd job. And then your 4th job is page 52 in math, which unfortunately I don't have in front of me since I'm at home. But your parents should be able to read you those directions and help you do that pretty simply. And then if you finish that, another good thing to practice would be writing your numbers to 20 if you can. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you for some fun on Friday. Bye.